Okay, so guys, I'll tell you that what we're going to be looking at this week, or one of the things that we're going to look at, is cyber safety. Now, you're not going to have a quiz on cyber safety, but I just want you to know where the cyber safety modules are if you should decide to teach a module to your students, or if you want your students to take the assessments online themselves. So you can go to this government site, and this is isafety.com. When you get to isafety, you will see there's three different sites. So what we're going to start with is we're going to start with NetSmart Kids. NetSmart Kids is broken down for K3, and so you'll see here that for K3 they have a video for them. Then they have a little cyber safety club. They have some materials to read. They have games to play. And here is an activity for them to be able to participate in. It's a puppet show. Then they have videos of the month. And if you want to email the main character, you can email the main character. But they give a live lesson for really small kids, primary kids, on cyber safety and how to stay safe on the internet. So those are for your really small kids. For bigger kids, we have NS Teens, and this site goes from like your 6th grade to 9th grade for these students, and there's video games, quizzes, comic strips, and so forth. And they can choose which module they would like to work with. Here you can choose modules. Your students can take the quiz, and what you can do is have them to make at least 80% and then count it as a test grade. Students can set up their own logins and so forth. Now, if you want to be in charge of the whole cyber safety thing, you can come here to this site. And this one, as you notice here, it's www.netsmarts.org/educators. You can come here and you can set up the modules for what you want your students to do. You can see here that you can see the kids one that I said was for primary students. You can see the NS teens, and then you can see regular teens, which goes anywhere from 10th grade to 12th grade. This one does. And then there is one for educators, one for parents, and one for law enforcement. You can set your modules up from there. I think the law enforcement module one looks good too. You can see what you get here as a teacher is videos, presentations. These are some assessment sheets and activities. And then the law enforcement one looks a little bit like it, but it's got a little bit more to it. So law enforcement is here, videos, presentation, also assessments, promotional items, and so forth. So this is all about cyber safety, how to keep kids safe on the internet, how they need to practice netiquette. It tells them all about not talking to strangers on the internet, not giving their location of where they live, not using their real names, and so forth. How to create passwords for logins. So there's a lot of information on the sites, and because everybody is teaching a different grade level, I'll just let you guys decide what's the best thing for your students. Okay, so that is what I'm going to give you for netiquette and for cyber safety. And again, the website that you'll start with is iSafety. Okay, all right, thank you so much.